Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M52. Okay, for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. So if you press these both buttons now for the same time, just for short, and then you will have a screenshot. So, and below you can edit the picture after, or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, and so on. So one more time. Power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you will have a screenshot. And if you tap now here on the editing symbol, then you are also able to draw something here inside or to highlight something. And also what is very nice, you can crop also a part of the screenshot here. If you tap at the corners here, then you activate the cropping tool, and now you can crop a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to crop a picture from a website or something like this. And yeah, after you can share this edited part here directly, or you can save it with the arrow here directly to your gallery. So let me do that. And now we will show you the second way. For that, we will need the edge of our palm. If you swipe it across the screen like this, you will have a screenshot as well, as you can see. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. This requires a bit of training, but I'm sure that you will make it well. You're going to find the screenshots, of course, here at the gallery. And what is very nice, if you tap here on the category albums below, you will have many folders, and one of them is the screenshot folder where you have only your screenshots. Okay, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.